Hi guys. We will see. I will search in the ChatGPT like Selenium setup from scratch. So I'm not doing practically, but I'm searching in the input box of chat box. What the output we are going to get? Selenium setup from scratch. So it should provide us the steps. How is it? It is telling install Python. So it is doing with the Python. Selenium setup with Python. Okay. See how the script it is generating. See, this is the information it is providing. So we can go and check from here, right? Selenium setup from scratch. So install Python, install Selenium. So we need to install Python from python.org. Install Selenium, pip install Selenium. So Chrome drivers, add WebDriver to path. Yeah. So it is giving the scripts correctly. So you need to review it and you need to implement the same steps. Suppose I'm doing Selenium setup with Java. Okay. From scratch with Java. See, install JDK file from Oracle website. So we need to check the Java version. So download IntelliJ. So it is giving the proper steps here. So dependencies. So POM, no, we need to add some dependencies. So mm, see, it is giving the script. Run your script. Even troubleshooting tips also it is giving. Ensure that WebDriver version matches with your browser version. Check the path configuration. Use latest versions. Okay. Web element driver find element ID. So good. Thank you guys.